Let's see what we can do. I'm up about $970. I don't really care. Good shit though. He ain't passed his challenge. Come on, we about to be up 500.
How does that make you
No
feel?
one's as reliable as me.
I'm not gonna trade tomorrow, especially since tomorrow's Friday and I've been able to end off my week with almost $1,000 with just 3 trading days. I wanna naturally be able to grow my whole body together. I don't wanna be unproportionate like fucking have some skinny ass legs. Atham caught 3 W's, 1 break even, which is 4 W's, and he went crazy today. Just another winning day. Good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video. Right now we're about to get the trading day started. I was about to put some vitamin C packet in my water. That's something I like to do every morning. I don't really have coffee. I'll drink coffee from like Dunkin' Donuts, but I don't really make coffee. But I don't have any vitamin C packets, so we're just gonna take this water. Let me turn these lights off. But let's see what we can do today. Overall, I don't think there's any crazy news. We had CPI yesterday. That was like the highest impact news of the week. But besides that, everything should be smooth. Looks like we got a little bit of volume already. I think there was news at 8:30, but it wasn't crazy news at the end of the day. So right now it's 9:17. We're about to get on there. We look for a trades right around that 9:30 to 11 o'clock range. Anything in between that is beautiful, very beautiful. Yesterday we made money. The day before that we made money. Let's see what happens today. We could lose, we could win, we could have a break even. We just got to follow the process. Regardless what happens, I'm just going to follow the process, and it's going to lead to a winning day, regardless if I make money, lose money, or break even. Yeah, I like the longs if we can get this good retracement to that 1 hour gap. I probably risk like 250, target that high. Yeah, I'm watching these longs. This is about a couple points away. I'm gonna risk about 50 points at the 1 hour gap. As soon as it tap that joint, I'm in there, 50 points. He said, you my liquidity, my fault. All right, just got my entry right at this gap. My first trade. Let's see what this could do. Entry at that 1 hour gap, 50 point stop loss. Let's see, I want to target that same area I wanted to originally short from, which is that daily gap and that high up there. About to send it to everybody. It's getting a little volume coming into 10. If we can close a good wick, that would be good for 10. That's what I want to see. 10 o'clock, let's see. Is this gonna stop us? Is this gonna get TP? Find out next time. That's the L, first L.
Ouch!
Oh. Ouch.
Oh!
Let's see. Because it could hold this 4 hour gap. I don't want it to. I want to see it come a little bit deeper and then hold it, go maybe on the 4 hour. But this is going to be my last trade if it could come down to that area within 10 o'clock. We'll see what we can do though. Now, yeah, I'm waiting for it to come just a little bit lower to tap this 1 hour gap for me. Give me the best possible entry I can get so I can try to hold it as long as I can. Right, and come on. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. All right, that's my entry right here. This is my last trade of the day. Actually getting some volume now. 40 point stop loss. Let's see what we can do. I want to target that London high, not London, New York high, right there. It was similar to what 30 was doing though. 30 almost hit TP1 before it 100% reversed on me. TP1 just got hit. All right, now I'll break even. Now if we can run this high, be a nice little trade. But it ain't over till it's over. Who's in this joint now? If you're in this joint, break even. Now we can break even. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can run this high or not. That's my target. Let's see if he'll follow through though. I need it to fully hit the TP. My TP's at 18,289. Give me this trade. Good shit though. He passed his challenge. Come on, we about to be up 500. Hit that 500 for me. Come on. Come on. Now this 1 hour candle look crazy. I need this shit to fly. Yeah, we about to hit 500. Yep, that's 500 right there. Come on, reach this high. I need this 9 a.m. high right here. I don't care for TP. I'm getting out right here. I'm at 530. That's cool. That's still 1 to 2. I ain't gonna lie. I think the reason I was waiting, look at where my risk reward tool is. My risk reward tool is off a little bit. I think I hit TP2. Yeah. So good. I'll take it right there. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. It's been a great week. So far for the count, we're up $970 in 3 days. In 3 days, we're only risking $250, and I took a loss and I took a W today. So I made about $270 today, which is still above the $200 a day. So we have two $200 days out of 30. We have about 28 to go. It's all good. We're slowly going. I don't really care to make the withdrawal. I'm up about $970. I don't really care. I'm trying to just get that 30 days so I can withdraw whenever I want. Because in a sense, if I had the 30 days already and I could withdraw whenever I want, this $270 I made, I could withdraw it. At $500 I made yesterday, I could have withdrew it. It's not the same as me having to wait 5 days of $200 or more just to get a payout. It just doesn't make sense. So as you can see on NAS 100, I made $528, and on US 30, I lost 245, resulting in the day leaving me at about $274 for the day in this Express account. As you can see, same values and everything, no cap in the wrap. And all of it was taken live with the team. So anybody that was in VIP, you caught it live, you can see it. As a matter of fact, I'll even show it. Like he caught the longs from the 1 hour gap on NAS earlier, and he made damn near $1,050. Crazy. He had a little bit of a smaller stop loss, but that's why he was able to also get out earlier. We got Robert, 1L1W, he up $329. Yes, sir. We got Taekwon, was up 1,000, but let it go back to 695, done for the day. That's still good, almost $700 for the day. He's up almost more than I made the whole week. Hatham caught 3 Ws, 1 break even, which is 4 Ws, and he went crazy today. All these wins. This was one of his biggest days, he said. Good work to you, Hatham. We also got my boy Double R, as always, following along in the NAS 100 longs, going crazy. Everyone just ate today. I can't even lie. Right now, we're about to go to the gym, stay productive as always. I'm about to journal all my trades and everything, just get everything all set up and all organized. And just, as always, we're gonna continue being productive and all of that. All right, right now, we're at the gym. We're gonna hit a full body workout. I always try to hit a full body just because I don't wanna be in the gym for 2-3 hours at a time. I'd rather get a good full body workout, a good full pump for an hour, 40 minutes straight. Working out a little bit of every muscle, maybe 2 workouts per body part, back, shoulders, legs. You know how it goes. Just try to get a full pump because it just personally makes me feel better. And if I'm going to the gym every single day, I want to naturally be able to grow my whole body together. I don't want to be unproportionate, like fucking have some skinny ass legs, but have some husky like upper body. I'm not trying to look unproportionate, and I've probably said that in other videos before. But I will always say this, go to the gym. Going to the gym is going to build so much discipline within you. And why is it building discipline? Because you're doing something you don't want to do. I don't want to be here, but I want to look better. I want to feel better. I want to be able to be bigger. I want to be able to feel 100%, 1,000% confident within my body. And not everybody can say that. So I have to go to the gym, doing things that I don't want to do regardless how I feel, because I know what the results are going to be. I know the end goal of me actually going to the gym, the habits it's going to build, the discipline is going to build, and how it's just going to make me an overall better person. But without the yapping, get to the gym. The hardest part is starting. I've said that a lot of times. The hardest part of working out is getting to the gym. Not actually lifting the weights, not doing the push-ups, is actually getting to the gym and working out. Once you're here, especially when you're alone like this shit easy. But let's get this workout, let's stay productive, and continue being 1% better every single day. 1% a day adds up to 3 times better every single year. Don't ever forget that. Triceps are good, I'm telling you guys. Just by doing push-ups, you're gonna have some crazy triceps. But if you can get some good triceps, it'll make your arms look bigger than what they really are. So for the day, we're up about 274. I showed you guys everything beforehand, but it's just another winning day. I'm not really trying to make money. I just want to be able to get to that point to where I got those 30 winning days. That's really the main thing. Like I could probably get a withdrawal in 4 or 5 days if I keep winning, but I don't really care for the withdrawal. I got money coming in from other different areas, so it's not like I have to 100% force myself to withdraw, so I can actually play the long game and try to take it slowly so I can actually get to the point to where I have $6,000, $10,000 in available risk to then whenever I win a trade, I can withdraw the whole thing and not actually violate any Top Step rules. Because these prop firms, all these different brokers and everything, at the end of the day, they don't want you to win. They are not meant for you to try to succeed. They make majority of their money from people failing, and people don't understand that. 100K accounts are really $3,000 in futures. 50K accounts are really $1,500 in futures. They try to play with your head, make you think that you got more money than you do so that you risk more and then blow challenges and then constantly get in that same cycle of giving them more money and nobody really passing. But I'm gonna take all this money. I really trade, so I'm gonna make all this money with them, withdraw. I'm putting that shit into my own broker at the end of the day. I'm gonna make as much money as possible, try to run up 100,000, 50,000 off these accounts, put that shit into my own broker so I can withdraw whenever I want, make as much money as I want, and risk what I want. We trade so that we have the freedom to actually do these things. I don't want to be limited due to all these prop firms just because they got my money. I got the skill set. That's the main important. You may have the money, but I got what you need for you to make more money. That's what you got to always remember. Right now, about to go pick up my girl from work, but I wanted to talk to you guys about why I won't be trading tomorrow. Now, I'm gonna show up for the VIP Trading Network. I'm gonna show up as I do every single day, 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. every single day. The process itself isn't gonna change, but the main reason I'm not actually gonna be taking trades every time. Every time. But the main reason I'm not going to be taking trades is because you know I have rules in place to keep me from over trading and over leveraging. And I've won the last 3 days, in my opinion. The first day I had a small win. Today I had a small win, and yesterday I had a full win. I'm not going to trade tomorrow, especially since tomorrow's Friday, and I've been able to end off my week with almost $1,000, which is 3 trading days. I'm just going to call it a win. There's no point of trying to overdo it. There's no point of trying to be greedy and make more than what I made. I can easily end the week off right now and be perfectly content, be perfectly fine with the results. You guys got to also be the same. You got to learn to stop chasing money. Focus on the process. Focus on the system itself, because you don't need to focus on the money. If you focus on the process, you're indirectly focusing on the money, because if you can make sure you're doing what you're supposed to, you're being disciplined, you're following your rules, and you're keeping yourself from self-sabotaging yourself, the money's gonna come. It's just a byproduct. Those winning trades, I do the same thing every day. Same thing I was doing on the challenge, the same thing I'm doing on the actual funded account to actually make real money. The process is what is important. Most people, they pay attention too much on how should I get into the trade? How do I get out the trade? No. Focus on the process. Focus on your system. Focus on learning yourself, understanding your emotions, all of that. That's what's going to make you a better trader, not the best indicator, the best strategy. No, the strategy is one thing, but you got to learn yourself. That's where you're actually going to be able to make thousands, tens of thousands, millions of dollars, not even in just trading, in life.
Anybody on earth you can call at any second of the day, and you know they'll pick up and do anything for you. Who the fuck do you think it is? Who? Tell me. Who would you believe first that would be there?
She said you.
She said me.
How does that make you feel?
No one's as reliable as me. I
Damn.
answer my phone every fucking...
Yo, I need that back, bro.
No matter what time it is.
But
Need
you're
that
that
back.
guy because I know,
that.
like, if
All right, so right now I'm just replying to all the comments and everything. I'm also just editing the video you're gonna watch. If you wanna know what I use to edit, I use CapCut. Don't use anything crazy. CapCut, and I use my camera to record, and I really just do that. The main thing you guys like to watch is the actual trades, but the main thing I want to talk to you is this guy. He commented saying you usually take 1 or 2 trades a day, but you did 3 trades today. Ain't you over trading as much as I followed your rules? And this is a very valid question, and I'm going to answer it right now. So on a good day, in reality, I would like to take only 1 to 2 trades. That's 100% right. I would ideally want to take 1 to 2 trades, but there are very specific occasions where, for example, if I have a trade that's break even and then a trade that's either a loss, a lot of the time, if I have a break even and a win, I won't take a 3rd trade. But if I have a break even trade and a loss, so I'm still at a negative for the day, those are situations where I may possibly take a 3rd trade if it makes sense, because even if I do lose that trade, I'm still only going to lose what I'm accounting for. Because if I have 1 break even and 1 loss, and I take a 1/3 trade, if that loses, then the worst that can happen is 2 losses. But if I take 1 loss, another loss, I can't take a 3rd trade. I can't take 3 losses in a day. It's impossible. But it's a valid question, and it's something that I kind of should have explained before. But for the people that were wondering, now you know. It wasn't really over trading. It was in the rules. It's just it's in account. It's all accounted for. I know how much I was risking. I know how much my max daily risk is, and it was still in those rules. So that's the question for you. I'm probably going to reply back to you anyway, but you have it in talking form now too. That time of the day, we're going to go to our top step. We're going to refresh it. Refresh for you guys all. You can see it. Refreshing it with me just so you can see it. There's no cap in the wrap. Same account we've been using. Same account that's in everything else. You can see the account right now is at 972. So far, we have 2 winning trading days with over $200, which is amazing. We have 3 days on the account so far and 100% win rate in total. So far, this is what the balance would be. I can't go below that negative because I'm up positive. It's still a $3,000 drawdown. But if we just look at the winning trade percentage, I'm averaging 61% winning trades with about a 1 to 1.7, which is probably because yesterday I cut the trade a little bit short, but it's all good. We're in profit. So nonetheless, this is why I'm not going to be taking any more trades for the week, because this is amazing as is. And I'm also going to go in here and do my daily money management as I do it. This is something that's very important. It's something I didn't do until recently. I recommend everyone doing it, because even if you're making a couple dollars or something, even if you're making just a little bit of money from your business, have it all documented. It's good to have it all written down. It's good to have it all somewhere, so later in the future you can always go back to it. I'm not going to show you everything. It's going to be blurred out, but this is just me trying to stay organized, to keep it simple. Business, I'm trying to show you guys what I do. And I'm not the biggest entrepreneur. but this is what I'm doing to keep everything structured for a one-man business. It's about 6:30. This is about where I start editing my videos. I already went to the gym for the day. I already traded for the day, followed my rules. I'm doing everything right now on my computer when it comes to editing my video to post today. And that's really it. As long as I continue to do these daily habits that I do every single day, I'm only gonna grow. I'm only gonna build my businesses. I'm only gonna become a better trader. I'm only gonna inspire and help more people as long as I continue to make content, continue to make valuable, entertaining content that's going to inspire you to do good and actually give you the value you need to change your life. Because you just watching me doesn't mean nothing. But if I teach you something, if I show you how to do something, if I explain to you something that ends up actually giving you a result, you're gonna be around forever. And that's all I want for you guys. So with that being said, I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you had a productive week. I won't be trading no more this week. I had a great week. And if you want to have a great week, make sure you join the VIP Trader Network. We're active every single day. You guys see it. The trades are catched live. People are passing challenges. They're getting funded. They're going to be getting withdrawals soon every single day. And it's only a matter of time before we have 1,000 people all getting funded, 1,000 people passing challenges, 1,000 people actually teaching other people to trade. Because that's what I also want to do. I want to teach these people to teach others to make a business out of it. It's the bigger goal. You can make a lot of money in this industry. You can make a lot of money being an entrepreneur, and I'm here to show you the way. And if you want to just learn how to trade for free, check out the free course. It's going to be in the description. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and make sure you stay motivated by the fear of being average. And I'll see you in the next video.